Waste mountains? Mighty machines? Smart solutions. See extreme shredders crush clutter. It's not destruction, it's problem-solving power, the start of resource recovery and less landfill. Witness the satisfying clean cycle begin. Impressive tech, but I hope they're recycling the fluids in batteries too. Crushing isn't just about metal. So all those crushed pieces, do they go straight to the steel mill, or is there another step? Whoa, absolutely incredible power. Hope those workers nearby have heavy-duty eye protection and gear. Flying shrapnel looks like a real risk here. The Teuton Z55 is like the Chuck Norris of shredders. It doesn't care what you throw at it. Mattresses, gone, stumps, pulverized, massive plastic sacks, child's play. The secret lies in its robust rotor system and adaptive shredding technology, which efficiently processes both soft and hard items. That's why recyclers and contractors love it. It's frustrating to witness powerful equipment like the FH20R being utilized, yet a significant part of the stump, perhaps a foot or so, remains. Bringing out such capable machinery only to leave the job half-finished seems counterproductive. You can really see why this machine is called the Predator. Those tangled stumps are brutal, packed with dense roots, but the HT1684 just rips through them like butter. It's built for serious biomass jobs, and paired with the Doosan excavator, it's a monster combo. Seeing these Liebherr LH35s handle timber with such precision, even in the rain, is seriously impressive. The technology in modern sawmills is incredible. Does anyone know how much these machines have boosted efficiency compared to older methods? What specific attachments are they using for this type of log handling? Love seeing this kind of heavy machinery in action. This setup with the Brooks 1006 ST on the Ponsa looks incredibly practical for terminal work. The adjustable height chip tube is clearly a huge advantage. Makes managing those chip piles or filling storage much easier. I bet the variable speed accelerator is great too, letting operators precisely place chips without making a mess or throw them long distance when needed. Whoa, a Buick Park Avenue, then a Dodge Caravan, a Neon, an Accord, and a Grand Am? It's like a parade of destruction. So much crunching and smashing, it's wild to watch them all get flattened one after another, probably thousands of pounds crushed in minutes. The sheer force involved is incredible. The RGS Titan VZ950 isn't just a shredder. It's an industrial-grade solution designed for today's most demanding recycling tasks. With ultra-durable rotors and automatic reversal to protect the blades, it's built to handle metal-heavy materials like end-of-life vehicles. It's a huge help in turning trash into reusable materials. That V-shaped design in the 800 eyes crushing chamber is smart. Probably helps grab material better and prevents clogging. Combined with the tough steel build, it looks optimized for maximum throughput even in harsh conditions. Awesome stuff. Wow, 125 stumps gone in just 11 hours, averaging 4 minutes even on stumps up to 40 inches? That's seriously impressive productivity. This machine seems like it could significantly boost daily output compared to slower methods. Really makes you consider the investment. Cutting over 130 cords with that setup? I'm honestly amazed no one's lost a limb yet. Open blades, no kickback prevention. It's an accident waiting to happen. It definitely wouldn't pass safety inspections for sale, but as a piece of functional engineering, it's interesting. Was it built from scrap materials? didn't expect a refrigerator to be so easy to crush. These videos are weirdly addictive. Anyone else watching these at 2 a.m. for no reason? Okay, honestly, who doesn't get a little kick out of watching stuff get totally squished? This digger's just having a field day, crushing things like it's nothing. There's something oddly satisfying about that sheer power turning things into pancakes. Pretty cool. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Check out the Ponza Scorpion King. This thing is an absolute monster in the logging world. That unique center crane gives incredible visibility, and the self-leveling cab keeps it steady on gnarly terrain. With 280 horsepower and smart tech, it's crazy efficient. Man, wouldn't you love to take this beast for a spin? So, after a titan like the Scorpion King fells the timber, what's next? Enter the Bruks Mobile Chipper, riding high on a tough John Deere 1410D. This setup turns massive logs into neat little chips right on site. Talk about an efficient 1-2 punch in forestry operations. From giant tree to manageable resource, just like that. And for clearing out the really tough stuff, feast your eyes on the Prinoth Raptor 300. This dedicated mulcher is built to absolutely shred trees, roots, and thick brush with its 275 horsepower engine. Look at those tracks glide over rough ground, perfect for taming the wild and keeping pathways clear. Pure, unstoppable clearing power. Got bulky wood waste? The WEMA WLK 1500 offers a solution. Its powerful single-shaft system efficiently processes logs and offcuts into consistent, usable material for recycling or biomass, tackling disposal challenges head-on with automated ease. This is the Formiguero FO12010 scrap baler. It applies 90 tons of pressure to compact bulky aluminum and stainless steel scrap, creating dense, easily transportable bales for recycling facilities. A real space and logistics saver. Wow, just watching this rotary shear test, you can really see the cutting force in action. All right, gearheads, feast your eyes on the latest toy. The turbo mulcher with a spiral saw drum. Sounds intense, right? Claims to be the top dog, turning trees into dust basically. It shreds fast and supposedly keeps the shrapnel to a minimum, which is nice if you value your eyeballs. Efficiency is its middle name. Let's see if it lives up to the hype.
Low-speed grinder.
This footage showcases the Crambo 6000 low-speed grinder. An interesting point was raised by a viewer regarding operational technique. They noted anxiety about the excavator positioning and advised against using it to apply downward pressure. Their suggestion involves interspersing smaller materials with larger logs to maintain continuous throughput, optimizing the machine's capacity and potentially reducing wear. What do you think? And for our grand finale of destruction, behold the WEMA WLK 1500. Just listen to that crunch. Those poor beverage crates never stood a chance. At Green Tech, we show powerful tech as part of the green solution, starting with breakdown. Enjoyed it? Like, comment. What's next? And subscribe to Green Tech. Keep thinking green.